In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off device restrictions on iPhone. Can't download apps or access certain features? Your iPhone might have restrictions enabled. Here's how to regain full control of your device. Device restrictions on iPhone can be super annoying, especially if you don't remember setting them up. These are usually parental controls or screen time limits that prevent you from doing certain things with your phone. First, let's check screen time restrictions. Go to Settings, tap Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this is turned on and you don't want it, you can turn it off, but you'll need the screen time passcode if one was set. Here's what's tricky. If you forgot the screen time passcode, you can't just turn off restrictions easily. You'll need to go to Settings, Screen Time, change Screen Time passcode, then Forgot Passcode. This lets you reset it using your Apple ID. Sometimes restrictions come from mobile device management if this is a work phone or if it was previously managed by a school or organization. Look in Settings for General, then VPN and Device Management. If you see profiles installed here, those might be causing restrictions. For family accounts, the restrictions might be set by the family organizer. If you're a child account, you'll need the family organizer to adjust your restrictions through their device or through family sharing settings. Here's a nuclear option. If restrictions are deeply embedded and you can't figure out where they're coming from, you can factory reset your iPhone. This removes all restrictions but also wipes your data. So back up first. Once you remove restrictions, consider whether you actually want some of them back for self-control. Screen time limits can be helpful for productivity. Just set them yourself rather than having them forced on you. Thanks for watching.